Dear students, now I welcome you to my grammar class, ways of expressing past time. We have already discussed the present perfect and present perfect progressive in the previous class. Now we discussed how past simple is used for past time in this class. The simple past tense is regular verbs is followed by adding be, ed, t, etc. For example, want, wanted, learn, learned. The form is base form of verb plus be, ed or t. We use simple past tense to talk about an action that began and ended in the past. An action that began and ended in the past. The action might have happened in a moment or over a period of time. For example, India became free in 1947. I saw a beggar on the way. These two things happened in a moment is called the action ended in a moment of time. Next we see father was ill for 2 months. The British ruled over India for many years. Father was ill for 2 months. It is not a case of a moment. It is a case of over a period of time. The British ruled over India for many years. It is also a case of over a period of time. So, you see, past simple of action is for the action happened in a moment or over a period of time. Next we see another rule. We use the past simple when we talk about an action that took place repeatedly. That is called habitual action of past. Habitual action of past. We can use used to in place of the verbs. For example, I played football in my childhood. This action happened regularly, and the teacher always carried an umbrella. Always carried an umbrella. If we use these two sentences, shows the action happened repeatedly in the past. In this case, we use used to. In this situation, the sentence will be if we use used to in this situation in place of a verb. The sentence will be like this: I used to play football in my childhood. Play used to play. If we write the sentence, the teacher always carried an umbrella, the sentence will be the teacher used to carry an umbrella every day. Used to carry an umbrella. So we use past simple when we talk about an action that took place repeatedly in the past. Then we see how we use simple past for completed actions in the past with the time analogies like yesterday, last week, month, last year, last night, etc. For example, his father died last year. It rained heavily last week. These two sentences says that the things happen for a long time with the time arrogance. Next we see, we use the past simple to denote a habitual or general actions in the past, but now are related. We were in Surat for 7 years. Now we are not in Surat, but we were in Surat for 7 years. Geeta studied MA when she was in Mumbai. These two things say that past simple is used to denote a habitual or general actions in the past. Next, we use past simple for historical events which are not changeable, which are unchangeable. For example, Sepoy unit broke out in 1857. These actions may not changeable, permanent. Shakespeare wrote for the global theatres. These two sentences that Sepoy immunity and Shakespeare both are historical persons. These are historical events. Now we see if two actions completed in the past in a short period of time, खूब कम समय भीतर यदि किसी गोटे घटना घटुताए अतीतरे at the same time one after another गोटिए समय गोटिए पर गोटिए first action leads to the second. The past simple is used for two short timed action in the past. For example, the student stood up when the teacher came in. Automatically, when the teacher came in, all the students stood up. These both actions happened in the same time. Next, we use the past simple with the expression of I wish. For example, I wish I had the wings of a dove. I would fly. जदि मोर कपोर डेरा थांदा मु उड़ी थांदी. If I were you, I would help the poor. मु जदि तुमे ही थांती ताले मु गरीब मानकु सहायता करतांती. If I were you, I would help the poor. It is an imaginary condition. In this case, we use past simple in the conditional clause. We use past progressive for past time. The past progressive tense is formed by the past tense of the verb be, was, were, followed by the verb ing. For the form is was, were, verb ing. Was, were, verb ing. Just example, I was going, they were going. We use this past progressive form for an action in progress in the past for a period of time. We use past progressive for an action in progress in the past for a period of time. For example, Mr. Das was teaching us geography. Next, it was raining all day. It is a continuous of action in the past. Progress, the action in progress in the past. Next, we use past progressive for repeated actions. Repeated again and again. mention biraktikara to the speaker. Biraktikara କାର୍ଯ୍ୟ ଯାହାକୁ କୁହାଯାଏ. For example, the child was always biting her nails. The child was always biting her nails. Next, Ramesh was always playing chess during study hours. These are actions which are causing annoyance to the speaker. So, the past progressive form is used in this situation. Next, we use the past progressive to describe two or more parallel actions going on at the same time. For example, he was listening while I was talking. He was listening. Se shunutila while I was talking. Mu jetebele kahuthili. Parallel actions. These are parallel actions. Amita was watching the TV while Sunita was doing her homework. These actions was happening in parallel of time. Next, we use past progressive if two actions were going on in the past at the same time. We use past simple for certain actions and past progressive for lingering actions. For example, when I was reading, somebody knocked at the door. Knocking at the door is a short action and reading is a lingering action. So, we use past progressive for lingering action and past simple for short actions. Like this, father came in while I was singing. Singing is a lingering action. And came in, just came in, is a short action. While I was bathing, the phone rang. Bathing is a lingering action and ringing of phones is a short action. So, when we use past progressive for lingering action, we use past progressive for lingering action and past simple for short action. If two actions were going on in the past at the same time, we use past same time. Now we shall discuss past perfect for past time. This is formed with had past participle of the verb. Just as had gone. I had gone to the market. Had plus gone. We use this form when two past actions take place in the past. We use the past perfect for an older action and past simple for later action. For example, when we reach the station, the train had late. Train had late. This is the older action. When we reach the station, earlier we reached at the station, later action. We use past perfect tense for the older action. Next, the thief had gone when the police arrived. The thief had gone, older action. The police arrived, later action. So, after the thief had gone, the police arrived. Next, we use past perfect to express hypothetical conditions. Sambhavana arthare. Surabhi would have got first class if she had studied hard. You should. So, in this case, it is a if Surabhi had studied hard, she would have got first class. So, this is a hypothetical condition. Next, we use past perfect with as soon as, the moment, immediately, till, until, before, in the time clause. For example, that says that past perfect with the adverbials as soon as the moment, immediately, till, until, before in the time clause. Next, we shall discuss how we use past perfect progressive for the past time. The form of past perfect progressive is had been verb ing. For example, I had been going, he had been going, she had been going. How to use? When the past action was in progress and another event took place. Past action was in progress and another event took place. We use past perfect progressive form of the verb for progressive action. Progressive action ପାଇଁ past perfect progressive action use କରାଯିବ and also past simple for others. For example, he was tired because he had been working since dawn. He had been working since dawn. It is a progressive action and he was tired. It is also past action. Next, my hands were dirty because I had been gardening for 2 hours. I had been gardening for 2 hours. It is a past action in progress in the past. Progress in the past. And also the cause is my hands were dirty. So it is the use in past simple. So the past action was in progress. Another action took place. We use past perfect progressive form of verb for the progressive action and past simple for others. So now the discussion of ways of expressing past time is already going to over. Now we shall wait for the next class, which is ways of expressing future time. So now thank you all and our team for the next class.